Blog Talk Radio.
Despite this racism that exists in society, I'm saying I am happy in my life. And I don't I socialize with anyone. I don't care what race you are, because I know there are good white people. I know there are good black people. I know there are bad people of all different races. And I've always been like that. Even it was way before the military.
But you say that. Well, wait a minute. You say something else though. You say that you're a female and that you're gay, correct?
Yes, I am.
Now,
which should be another shot against me, right? I should be angry, right? I should be like, oh my God, I can't have these benefits. And I'm not that way.
No, according to the code, that means that the white supremacists have done their job.
All right, hey, their job works for me. Well, thank you, white supremacists.
Yes, that's a very important, and you say that you're, wait a minute, hold it, and you say that you're happy.
I am, and that's the truth. I'm happy.
Absolutely.